So students, now we are doing test for the weight test for the acid radical. So you have to make first the sodium carbonate extract, and first you have to take this small beaker and one spatula sample is taken into it. Now aluminium sulfate, and you have to take the 3 times of the sample sodium carbonate anhydrous. One, two, and three. Okay. Now you have to mix distilled water approx 20 ml to dissolve it. Now this mixture is heated about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So after the heating sodium carbonate extract, it is filtered into this way. Okay, this is the sodium carbonate extract of the sample. After heating you have to filter the solution, and to the filtrate you have to add the dilute HCl. Means is adding dilute HCl to the sodium carbonate extract of the sample. Okay. Now barium chloride is added into the test tube. Can you see the white precipitate? This precipitate due to the barium sulfate. That is, we can confirm that sulfate, that is SO4 2- is present in the sample. Okay. Okay. Now we are doing the confirmatory test for aluminium, that is Al3+. First you have to take a pinch salt into the test tube and add some distilled water to dissolve it. And shake it well. And then you have to add NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride, solid ammonium chloride, into the solution. And you have to shake it well. And now you have to add dilute HCl into the solution after adding NH4Cl. And again you have to shake it well. And now blue litmus solution is added to it. See the red color. And now you have to add NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide, into it. See, a blue color PPT is formed and float. This is the blue lake test for aluminium, and this is the confirmatory test for Al3+. Okay. See, after some time the lake will be like that.